Greetings. Welcome to another episode of 1320 Time Stream. This will start this portion of the harmonic episodes for this harmonic run. Now, let's get back into it. So, that's another brief explanation. What is a harmonic run? And what is a harmonic? Well, as you will see on the next page, a harmonic run is a strand of 20. A strand of 20 is one of 13 kind of lines on the Zolkin. Let's change the page so you know exactly what we're talking about. Boom. If you start at the top, take one line, go down, there's 20 positions there. Those 20 positions in that line is called a harmonic run. Now, why is it called a harmonic run? Specifically because there are 5 harmonics in that run. A harmonic consists of a 4-day cycle from red to yellow. So, if we were to go through the 5 harmonics, it would be Dragon, Wind, Night, Seed, harmonic 1. Serpent, Whirlbridger, Hand, Star, harmonic 2. Moon, Dog, Monkey, Human, harmonic 3. Skywalker, Wizard, Eagle, Warrior, harmonic 4. Earth, Mirror, Storm, Sun, harmonic 5. Now, I say 1 to 5 only as the basic number, because as we go through the lines, even though, if you were looking at the first run, which is the one on the far left, yes, that would be from 1 to 5. But if you were to go one line over, the one that starts with the number 21, then it would be 6 to 10, so forth and so on. So there's 5 on each of them. Now, the harmonic run that we are in currently is the 9th. And so if you start at the center, because the center is always a good navigation point, so you don't have to count from the far left, you start at the center and you go 2 over, and then we're at the 9th harmonic run. And so today, very appropriately, we are on the 9th day. We're on the cosmic moon. If you want to know a little bit more about the cosmic moon, go on over to the daily meditation, the daily drop section, and a recording of today's energy concerning the red cosmic moon was recorded. So for here, we're just going to be talking about the harmonics. So this day today is the beginning of this 3rd 4-day cycle in the 9th harmonic run. Now, let's go over one more here. So, in this complex yet simple looking grid of DNA codons, what we have here, again, start at the center. And this time, don't just start at the center. Start at the center and on the blue section. You can see there's red, white, blue, yellow, and green. Those are the 5 time cells. So that's how we're going to be navigating this, because I don't really have a pointer, and right now the technology is around where I need to explain this to you via verbal guidance. Now, there's enough markers and cues on screen, which I feel this will be a very valid and simple to navigate form of navigation. So we're going to start at the direct middle on the blue area, the blue time cell, which is process, and then go over 2. And so we'll be on the 9th total run, but the 3rd set of 4 down, or that harmonic. The harmonic number is harmonic 43. You can tell what number the harmonic is by the black number. The black number here, if you look on the far right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so forth and so on. So we're working with harmonic number 43. Okay, that's easy enough. Now, the codon that is starting today is known as codon number 63, which is represented in the Gene Keys work as Gene Key number 63, which we'll be getting into shortly. So just to kind of bring this a little bit further, the codon here, made of yang, yin, yang, yin, yang, yin, codon 63, just so you know. Get your yangs and yins straight. Straight's a joke because they're lines. There you go. Well, here we go. And the 9th run, for those of you who didn't get to watch any of the other harmonic episodes, the 9th run, each one of the runs, is one of the chakras in the 13 chakra scale. So the 9th run is of the throat chakra. So we're in the direct center of the throat chakra energy here. And as a number of you participated in at the end of, let's see, when was it? Yesterday, that was it. At the end of yesterday, we did a meditation that in the daily zone, we did a meditation on the crystal star of kind of how to bring your 4 days together, which is relevant to the daily drops because we do a meditation there called Mayan Pyramid Meditation. And the basic building block of the meditation that was shared concerning the harmonics was shared there. I may begin to just have to start posting redundancies of the information because all of the syntax of this network is all connecting to each other. So it can't all just be flatly categorized as, oh, this is this section and that is that section, because they're all a single operating sentient being. So very much like the neural networks of a brain, this particular system will also have to be jumped around on and participated in many layers. So you may find references in some of the videos that you're like, hey, what does that mean? Well, they're most likely referencing a different section, which I invite you to participate in. So yeah, those 4 days consist of a meditation, and more on those meditations will be summed up as we go through. What will be said here is we're building the meditation structure around our throat chakra now. So for all the beings who have been doing the meditation since the dragon day of the 9th run, all of those pyramids that you have been breathing and building are all going to be put around your throat chakra in a very special way. And so each harmonic run, we're building, and I won't get into it right now because it's a little bit complex, even though we've touched on it, we're building kind of like a hyperdimensional time ship, a time structure around our energy centers, which are chock full of deeply positive and sustaining and nurturing, activating imprints for our natural energy body. And so much more than I can even remotely explain. Okay, so let's get to it. We're going to jump into the Gene Keys work and start our transmission for this next 4 days. Stay tuned.